Hi ladies and gentlemen, right here we are at the Zhongshan Yuanhui Lighting Company. They are the professional LED manufacturer of tri-proof lights. You can see all the lights are displayed on the wall. So let's go to find someone to tell us more information about the products. Now let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce some products of Yuanhui Lighting Company together for you. This is one of their most competitive products. This product, the material what we use is plastic PP, and we use this one for in our parking lot, in the hospital, or somewhere we need brightness. So this can influence the environment quite well. So this is one of the most competitive and very traditional one. Then let's move on to another one that is also very competitive. Now please have a look at this one. This is what we call is the YL18. This tri-proof light can be applied to many places, indoor or outdoor as well. And the driver in it we use is Philips. So it can very endurable and can lengthen the warranty for 5 years. So we can tell the quality also with the prices is very competitive. It must be one of your best choice. All right, so this is the third, and let's move on to the third one. Let's go. All right, guys, this is the fourth production that I want to recommend to you. This one, what you call is can be endurable in extreme climates. It can endure the climate under like -40, and the material it used is called GRP. So it means that it can endure in the climate in the very extreme temperature. So also what I want to mention is the driver it used is from Philips. In such a way we can tell the quality is guaranteed. So in some way the lifespan of it, the guarantee of it is 5 years. So sometimes we may use this one in our fridge or in the ice house. It might be your best choice. All right, so friends, if you are interested in our product, do remember to leave a message below or scan the QR code at the end of the video. I will come to you as soon as possible. Thank you.